Hey y'all, so we're gonna recreate this little vase over here. I made this a while ago and I realized I was not recording when I was done. I was so upset. But I also feel like it's an opportunity to do it again because it was really fun. And what we're gonna do is recreate it and put it into this journal here. So we're gonna use some of the printables from the May 2026 Craft and Collage Club. And you could use these. These are little swatches that come in the printables. I think that they would be really great for this project. And I'm going to use some of the Fussy cuts. I'm going to use this one and some of these. And then I'm actually going to use one of the papers that came with the Happy Mail subscription where you get supplies and papers and things too. And I'm going to use a few of the Fussy cuts out of the book as well. And if you are curious about this stuff, it is in the description. And with that said, let's get started. All right, so I'm going to start with my vase. And what I'm going to do is not try to freehand it. I tried that the first time and I don't know what I was thinking. I could not get it symmetrical freehand. So I just need a little piece of scrap paper. I have it here, so I'm just going to draw a little base shape and then cut it out. Let's see about how tall I want this. Let's see. Maybe about there. And I'm doing this on a little piece of scrap paper to size it and make sure that what I think is going to work is going to work. And then I can adjust it from here. So let's see. I like that shape. It's fun. I want it a little bit more rounded on the bottom. Go back to where I started from. Oh, that's cute. Okay. I did want to use the flowers that I used last time because I really love that combination. So let's figure out where it went. There we go. All right, so I need this one. This one. And last time I made this, I used it's all out of the book. And I like the texture and like the finish of the ones out of the book, but I also like the feel of the ones that are printed. And actually, I might add in some of these roses. So let's see. If not, I will put them somewhere else.
All right, now we're moving over to voiceover because when I was recording this, my husband came in and informed me that he won a Lucky Charms sweatshirt. We're both very excited. I'm so proud of him. He wins stuff all the time, but it's never anything good like the lottery. It's always a cooler or a sweatshirt. But our kiddo's going to be really excited because she gets a Lucky Charms sweatshirt. And for my non-American viewers, because I think I have quite a few, Lucky Charms is a kid's cereal that is like leprechaun themed and it has different shaped, rainbow colored marshmallows in it. So there's that. I guess feel free to congratulate us in the comments on our big win. Anyway, I digress. So I like to put a little bit of embellishment on the vase. Like I have my little paper punch that I used here. I think on my last one I used Rick Rack. I think it'd be really cute with lace or ribbon or something like that. Kind of whatever you have laying around. And so after I got everything fussy cut and ready to go and cut out, it was just time to put everything together. So I'm going to leave you with a little bit more music and enjoy the rest of the video. I'll just be over here watching with you, snuggled up in my new Lucky Charms sweatshirt. All right, my friends, that is it for now. If you like this video, go check out the one linked up here in the corner at the end card that is using some of the scraps from this set to make a really cute little rain boot journal card. And be sure to check out the description for a little bit more information about the Craft and Collage Club. I'd love for you to come join us if you're not already a member. And there is a link to a free download project that goes along with the next video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.